So cornea is the first one?
Yes.
All right, so they started with this cow eye. All right, and they just cut all the fat and muscle off of it, sliced it in half. And when they sliced it in half, liquid came out. Okay, so cornea, right here, it's a very cloudy portion. It's damaged whenever you preserve it. In fact, if you ever saw the cadaver exhibit, all the eyes are artificial for this reason. Otherwise, they would all had cloudy eyes. All right, so cornea.
Sclera.
Sclera is the white part, of course, the tough white part. Clear cornea, white sclera. Okay.
Iris.
Iris. So we got to turn it around this way, and it's a little easier if you invert it. Flip it inside out. Okay. So you can see, of course, the cornea from this side, right? And basically right now, the hole that I'm sticking it in is the pupil. And the iris is this black layer, of course, right around the pupil, right around that big hole. So it's black, it's smooth. This is the iris. Okay, next.
You already got pupils, so
Pupil's the hole right in there in the iris.
ciliary body.
So now around the iris, this next black layer, but you notice it has the ridges on it. The black layer with the ridges on it, this is the ciliary body. And that's around the iris, that's around the pupil.
Choroid.
Choroid, so we got to go to this other half. And again, on the outside, the white part's the sclera. And then now this next layer in, where you see the black color, and I'll lift up some of this. Right in here. So I'm lifting up this black layer, and I can fold it over. The second layer, the middle layer of the eye technically, sclera, and then the next layer in black is the choroid. Okay, choroid. And what else do we need?
Lens.
The lens, so that's this little nugget that fell out right here. The lens. All right.
Suspensory ligaments.
Suspensory ligaments. Let's see. Where are they gonna?
That'd be interesting.
Ciliary
Well,
body to the,
a lot of times you still see remnants right here. Let's omit that. Cross that off for the eye list. For the dissection only. But a lot of times you still have little remnants of ligaments still connected to the lens, but we'll skip that for now.
Retina.
Retina. All right, back to this side. We said sclera on the outside. This black layer I'm lifting up is the choroid. And now you see this tan layer right inside here. That is the retina. And it's detached and damaged, of course, at this point, but this is the retina. All right.
Optic disc.
Optic disc. Okay, so you got the optic nerve coming in the back of the eye. And so now we're really going to detach the retina.
optic nerve 2, right? I gotta say the 2.
And that spot where it's still connected right there, the spot where the obviously optic nerve comes in and it connects to the retina, that's the optic disc.
Optic nerve.
Optic nerve right there, isolated nicely on the back.
Vitreous, humor, vitreous body / humor.
Vitreous body is this jello right here. And it used to keep the retina in place. That was its purpose, really. All right, so on Blackboard we do have a